there's this guy and his two partners who, for now, I'll just go ahead and name nameless, because this isn't something that I really talk to anyone about. Like, should I share this? It's weighing on my heart, and it's just reminding me that life is short. So I'm going to talk about it and just keep them private for a sec. The point being that they had different personality styles. One was always, a level 5 or a level 6 or a level 7 in energy. Like the natural was a little above average. The other one was a level 8-ish on average. Another one was a level 3-ish on average. And these might be skewed a little, or they might change based on the day, but I'm trying to give you an average. One of them was slightly above average. One of them was even more peppy and excited than average. And the other one was below average on the excitement level, on the energy level. Because he's like, nothing, is going to faze me. I'm not going to overreact about something. And it was always interesting how it has been interesting how it comes across on the podcast, because you've got a level 6, it's going to probably come out at a level 4. If you got a level 3, it's probably going to come out at a level 1. If you got a level 7 or 8, it's probably going to come out at a level 6 or 7. And so that's where I want to give you the podcasting takeaway today. And then I'll go ahead and jump off. The podcasting takeaway is, whatever your personality is, you want to be as close to that as possible, with also knowing that you have to lift it up, because on an audio only experience, how your listener receives the information, the content, the words, is going to be a little bit more boring, because they don't see you moving your hands around. They don't see your smile and your facial expressions. They're only really stuck to your vocal inflections. So with that said, just make sure you're trying to come to the podcast with probably a level 6, 7, or 8. So it means you've got to really be slightly above average and even slightly above your normal. And that's so that you can be heard normal or slightly above average, because you just don't want to be heard at a lower energy level, like a tired, bored energy level, because that's going to have your listener think that you don't care about what you're talking about.